In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export bank statement from Xero. By the end, you'll have a clean file you can share with your accountant, upload to a lender, or keep for your records. First, open your browser and head to the Xero website. On the homepage, click Log In and sign into your organization. Make sure you're in the correct company if you manage more than one, because the report will only reflect the data for the organization you're currently viewing. Once you're in, look toward the top navigation and select Reporting. This is where Xero keeps all of its financial reports, including the one we need. On the reporting page, choose All Reports to see the full list and search options. In the search bar, type Bank Reconciliation. You'll see a report with a description along the lines of compare your balance in Xero with your bank balance and check for missing, deleted, or duplicated transactions. Click that. This report is ideal because it lines up your Xero running balance with the bank's balance and shows every transaction in between, which is exactly what most people expect from a statement-style export. Before exporting, set the report filters so the output matches what you need. Choose the date range that matches your statement period, such as the full month or a custom start and end date. Selecting an exact period helps prevent gaps or overlaps when you're sharing multiple months. Next, choose the specific bank account you want to export. If you have several accounts like operating, savings, or a credit card, make sure you select the correct one so your totals and transactions align with your intended statement. After you've set the date range and bank account, click Update to refresh the report. Give it a moment to load. The page will display the transactions and balances based on your filters. This is a good time to scan the totals and dates to confirm everything looks right. Now scroll down to the lower right corner of the report and click Export. You'll be offered a choice of formats. Select PDF if you want a fixed, share-ready document that's easy to print and send. Choose Excel if you prefer a spreadsheet you can sort, filter, or combine with other data. Once selected, the file will download to your computer, ready to save in your records or share as needed. That's it. Quick, accurate, and consistent every time. Thanks for watching, and happy exporting.